welcome to another video. So today I am playing Transfer Mice, so the new event has come out for Halloween, and I'm showing you it. Oops. I'll show you guys later on in this video, but basically, it's kind of like the past years, but like, I don't know if they still have the candy slots like they usually do, but they do have like new trick-or-treat kind of things, new maps of course, and some kind of weird map where you play it as a box and you have to get the candy, which is really strange. I think it's a box, I don't know what it was, but they just updated it literally almost an hour and a half ago or something, like almost 2 hours ago. And by the time you're watching this video, it's probably going to be about 3 hours ago or 2 hours ago, whenever the events come out, but, you know. So, I decided I was just going to play Transfer Mice and show you my voice. And, yeah, so, I mean, I honestly don't know what to do for this video, so I'm just going to be playing vanilla, or I might, you know, do boot camp later on. You know? I cannot. Okay, there. That's all done. Not really the best at ball jumping, but you know I can do it. And, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I also changed my mouse fur and my outfit just because it was turning Halloween, and I just, you know, loaded out the Halloween maps. So everybody is, like, changing all their outfits to black and orange, possibly some white. You know, usual Halloween colors. So. Oh, shit.